Aubameyang has an agreement with Chelsea on personal terms. Is not a problem between Aubameyang and Chelsea. The agreement was reached 2 weeks ago, meeting in London, everything okay. So the problem is not Aubameyang. The problem is between the two clubs, between Barca and Chelsea. They have no agreement on the fee because Chelsea know that Barca are looking for money, and so they want to sell Aubameyang at the right conditions. But at the same point, Barca know that Chelsea want Aubameyang as priority. He's the priority for Thomas Tuchel. And Xavi is still hoping for Aubameyang to stay because he really likes the player. So this is why it's kind of strategy game, this deal. I'm told that there will be a new meeting in the next hours. Let's see if it will be today, tomorrow, but there is a new meeting scheduled to decide on this deal. But it's still on for Aubameyang to Chelsea.
Let's just focus on Wilfred Zaha here, Fab. What's the latest there?
For Chelsea, the focus is on Aubameyang as of now. Then if Aubameyang will collapse, let's see if they decide to go for Zaha maybe in the last hours of the window. But yesterday and today, Zaha was not and is not a deal close to being completed. So it's not even a negotiation with Crystal Palace as of now. It's just discussion with his agents and nothing else.